Hey guys, we all love the arrival of a new tech gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift idea for a family or friends. Ramp up your fitness with the newest fitness accessories and high-tech trainers. Max out your home entertainment experience or just explore what else is out there. We appreciate your input and look forward to your comments. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the description box. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Enhancing the previous model, the Skydio 2 Plus autonomous drone boasts serious improvements, better in both hardware and software ways. It comes with Skydio keyframe. This is an AI skill that lets you design and capture smooth, complex camera moves, and it takes only a few taps. Get those mind-bending cinematic shots that you want, in an easy way, with keyframe. Unlike manual drones, this autonomous one ensures even beginners can create dynamic, smooth, and creative shots in tough environments. This custom flight path system is intuitive, letting you choose your keyframes with just a few taps. Then, Skydio Autonomy creates a continuous smooth camera path between them. Finally, when the keyframes are set, you can play it back, forward or backwards, as many times as you want at any speed. Beyond keyframe, it also has an incredible wireless range of up to 6 kilometers and a flight time of up to 27 minutes. The 6-kilometer wireless range is seriously impressive. Do anything with the Asus Zenbook 17 Fold OLED convertible laptop. It boasts a 17.3-inch foldable OLED touchscreen that you can fold to a 12.5 size when you want to use it as a tablet, smaller than a sheet of paper when folded. It has a 2.5K Nano Edge Dolby Vision screen that is color accurate, with super slim bezels. The display has Pantone validation as well as TÜV Rheinland certified low blue light levels. Furthermore, it offers multiple user modes and works with the Asus ErgoSense Bluetooth keyboard, which you can detach with the keyboard. This gadget is truly a laptop with all the features you want from one, with a 12th generation Intel Core processor. It also has quad speakers certified by Harman Kardon and a Dolby Atmos audio system. Moreover, this convertible laptop has a 5-megapixels webcam, an HDR camera, and a color sensor for automatic brightness. Get a device that boasts 2 different sizes and multiple screens. The Zendure SuperTank versatile power bank lets you charge a range of devices. This includes smartphones, laptops, and even wearable gadgets. In fact, you can charge 2 laptops simultaneously. This unique feature keeps everyone's devices topped up. As a result, it's suitable for business meetings. It offers 100W power delivery that can charge a MacBook Pro at full speed and a laptop 7 to 10 times. This is thanks to its huge 27,000 mAh capacity. As a result, it'll extend a 13-inch MacBook Pro's battery for 13 hours, but it's also suitable for low-power devices, such as smartphones or wireless earphones. The Zendure SuperTank offers 9 safety features, too. This prevents your devices from breaking. It's also flight-friendly, allowing you to stay connected on a plane, which is a great feature for digital nomads. This is a must-have gadget for keeping your devices charged up. Take your health into your own hands with the Withings Body Scan Connected Health Station, a revolutionary gadget. It can actually record a 6-lead ECG. This means it can assess your nerve activity and heart rhythm. These measurements detect arrhythmias and heart patterns associated with atrial fibrillation. This helps you take proactive control over your health. It does this with its 4 weight sensors and 14 Ito electrodes in the platform and 4 stainless steel electrodes in the handle. Furthermore, it delivers a year-long battery life and has a high-resolution 3.2 inches LCD color display to show you your stats. Moreover, it can measure segmental body composition, heart rate, and vascular age. Overall, it does more than measure your health vitals. It also gives you access to personal health plans based on behavioral science, so you can not only take control but also improve your future. It's pretty incredible that it can detect arrhythmias and heart patterns. Take your home audio to a whole new frontier with the Sony HT-A9 home theater system. Its innovative 360 spatial sound mapping technology adapts to your environment. In fact, it creates up to 12 phantom speakers from just 4 real ones. What's more, you get a flexible, clutter-free layout thanks to the wireless connectivity. Also, the X-balanced speaker unit maximizes the diaphragm area, leaving you with richer bass, and with the immersive audio enhancement. This audio system converts regular audio to nearly 7.1.2 channels. Moreover, the 8 kelvins and 4K, 120 pass-through ensures vivid visuals and fast-paced gameplay. Additionally, you can customize your setup with 2 subwoofer choices. Furthermore, you get multiple streaming options through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, and more. Plus, the Sony HT-A9 even provides Alexa and Google Assistant control. Finally, it pairs with Bravia for simple system controls. It's so cool that this sound system creates 12 speakers out of 4. This gadget is very expensive, but luxurious. Get the best of both worlds with the LG Signature OLED Rollable TV. Boasting an ultra-thin display, it seamlessly rolls out from its base to reveal a luxury TV for an immersive viewing experience. Once rolled back down, the LG Signature OLED transforms into a state-of-the-art Dolby Atmos sound system. This luxury design and concept is possible thanks to OLED self-lit pixel technology that provides maximum flexibility. Additionally, this rollable TV rolls out to 3 different heights that complement your space. Roll it out to full view mode, and it'll produce sharp pictures, swift gaming, and smooth sports, or switch to zero view to make the most of your space. Also, LG Think responds to simple voice control commands. Overall, it fits into your lifestyle to appear when you need it and disappear when you don't. It provides 3 heights to suit your space and content. Create the experience of an in-person meeting with the Owl Labs Meeting Owl Pro versatile conference device. It combines a camera, microphone, and speaker in one compact unit for high-quality video and audio calls with your team, featuring a 1080p camera, tri-speaker, and 8 smart microphones. It's great for your work-from-home setup. In fact, this hybrid gadget integrates seamlessly with Zoom, Google Hangouts, Slack, GoToMeeting, and more. Furthermore, this versatile conference device automatically zooms in to respond to who's speaking, making it suitable for in-house meetings too. And, with an 18-foot audio pickup radius, it's compatible with large rooms where multiple people are present. Finally, with a plug-and-play setup, it's quick and easy to install and use every time you need to connect with others. Spoil your pup in the best way possible with the Furbo treat-tossing dog camera. Interacting with your dog has never been more rewarding. As Furbo is connected, you can open the app on your device to see, talk, and dispense treats to your dog even when you're not at home. With live streaming HD video quality, you can make sure Fido isn't up to no goo while you're out. You can even zoom up to 4x and enable night vision to see it all. If he is causing trouble, you can use the two-way audio on Furbo to communicate with him with ease. You can also record the video and snap photos to capture memories. Because Furbo allows you to interact without being there, you're able to reward good behaviors as they happen to help reinforce good habits. Easily print photos from anywhere with the Holga manual mobile printer, along with the exclusive app. This device allows you to create Holga-styled photos and develop them with Fuji Instax Minifilm. Additionally, the entire printing process is manual, so batteries aren't even needed. Using the app, you can use your smartphone's camera to take pictures and apply any Holga filters and effects before printing them out. Moreover, each Fujifilm Instax Minifilm cartridge contains 10 shots, which you can swap in seconds. The instant film prints crisp photos that the Holga printer takes complete advantage of. Once it is released from the printer, the film develops in a matter of minutes, featuring a nostalgic design. The Holga printer is made of molded polymer and comes in vibrant colors. Receive all the accessories you need for meals outdoors with the BioLite FirePit cooking kit. It includes the FirePit Plus with a grill lid, griddle, and cutlery set. Moreover, the FirePit Plus, in particular, has a burn time of up to 24 hours and uses firewood or charcoal for power. To accompany this grill, the durable, coated enamel lid is the perfect companion. Furthermore, it includes adjustable air vents for heat regulation and folding handles for easy operation and transportation. Moreover, the prep and grill toolkit includes a spatula, tongs, a knife, and a roll-up storage mat, so you can enjoy mealtimes outdoors with ease. Best of all, the cutlery has a long design to provide a comfortable distance from the heat source for safety. Finally, the pre-seasoned non-stick cast iron griddle offers 130 square inches of cooking space and has a raised edge to prevent spills. Receive all the cooking accessories you need for mealtimes outside. Decorate your home while experiencing high-quality audio with the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Emerge Wi-Fi home speaker. In fact, it boasts a book-inspired, slim design that can easily fit on a bookshelf, desk, or counter, built to expand sound without taking up much space. This Wi-Fi home speaker can fill a room up to 300 square feet with crystal-clear audio, with a maximum volume of 92 decibels. It'll also help keep the party going. Moreover, the Bang & Olufsen Beosound Emerge comes with many advanced sound features, such as active room compensation and thermal protection, premium materials, like pearl-blasted aluminum, natural oak, and knitted textile, complement these sound features and produce enriching acoustics. For an audio boost, the integrated bass port guides low frequencies to the back of the speaker, resulting in a deep, rich sound. Finally, discreetly tuck the Beosound emerge away or display it in a prominent position for a visual experience. It's slim enough to store on a bookshelf. Enhance your home or office space with the Gingko Smart Vase light. Boasting a stunning oval shape, it provides a warm glow to your room while featuring a heat and water-safe tube for your favorite flowers. Designed with heat-safe and waterproof Tevec paper, it emits a warm ambient light from within. All the while, the fan-like design makes it easily foldable for storage afterward. Moreover, this Gingko light is also a space-saving accessory with a 10-hour battery life, so you needn't worry about cords or restrictions. Designed with either Japanese bamboo or American walnut wood with a 3000 kelvins color temperature, it's perfect for any room. Overall, its unique design provides plenty of light while helping your indoor flora to blossom. Sip your best cup of joe every morning when it's made on the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker. This intelligent, connected gadget works with all your favorite protocol: Alexa, Google, iOS, Android, and the Atomi Smart app, offering a 12-cup capacity. It's great for just your family or for when you have guests over. Furthermore, it even offers voice control with assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Through the app, you can personalize the brewing process, control the strength so you get just the right tasting cup. Moreover, it lets you turn it on and off wirelessly through the app, and you can even schedule brewing through the app. No matter how rushed your daily life is, you'll always have a cup of joe ready with this connected coffee machine. The world of 3D printing is magical, but it's difficult to do from home because of setup requirements and expenses. The Creality CR6 SE DIY 3D printer kit changes that, taking only 5 minutes to set up. This convenient and robust aluminum 3D printer features a modular nozzle. Moreover, it has an easily replaceable Teflon tube, nozzle, and other wearing parts. What's more, the heat dissipation block structure works very well, with an intelligent leveling-free system for superior accuracy and advanced features. It's also affordable. Furthermore, you'll also have an inventive extruder structure for easier feed-in, and a self-developed silent motherboard. Top this all off with a 4.3-inch colorful touchscreen, and you're set to create to your heart's content, only limited by your imagination. Whether you're new to 3D printing or an old hat, this is a great option for you. People will love this easy-to-use and affordable way to 3D print right from home. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos, and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as uploaded. That's it for now.